So we've run across something that could happen to anybody out there. So they were drilling a hole and look what happened. It busted open. However, it's such a beautiful stone. She doesn't want to throw it away. And the Jooltool will come to the rescue, and we're going to grind that down and create another shape so that it can be used again.
Sweet.
So I will copy the kind of shape that already exists. So I'm using the the Diamond Flex in the 250 micron.
And you got to do the water for this.
Yeah,
right?
you can do it dry. You really can. But it just allows diamond to last longer.
Right.
So I'll go ahead and put some water on it. And you can see, I'm just going to hold it right up against the wheel. And I'm going to grind it down. And you can see where that line is disappearing. And once it disappears, it's done.
Awesome.
So we're done. Now, it's up to us to decide what we want to do with it from here. Do I want to taper it a little, just round the edges over? What do you think?
Yeah, it's going to be bezel set, so...
So let's taper this a little.
Oh, I need that.
A little, just even it out pretty much with the rest of it.
Yeah, I need a little bit of girdle on it, so...
Are we good?
That looks pretty good.
Hold on, let's take a look at it. Okay, there we go. And then the next step would be the medium. So if this doesn't look so I know it's fast, huh?
Yeah, very.
So I'll use the medium grind, and this will kind of smooth over everything. Like so all the little unevenness, so you can hold it here. So if you want to make some adjustments at this stage, you can. It's a little smoother. And there we go. Kind of glide over it. Oh, that's nice. Okay, I see this. Yeah, okay. So now I'll use the very fine diamond, running it at full speed.
How many grit is that fine diamond?
This is 20 micron.
Okay.
So it doesn't work in grit, so they grade it by the particle size of the diamond.
Right, gotcha.
Which is a micron. No, it's still a micron. You can see we're grinding still, but at this stage, it'll still be... So I have no idea how hard this stone is per se, but it took to a pretty nice polish. Finish so far, but it's a little dull. So I'm gonna see if I can get headway with my felt wheel and my Jooltool compound and see what happens. And if it doesn't polish as I want it to, then I will use the finer diamond abrasive.
Well, I know it's not as hard as some stones, but not as soft. It's right in the middle. It might be 5.
There we go. Very nice.
Yeah.
That's pretty.
That's amazing. It's taken just a few minutes.
Right? You know, a little boo-boo turned into a nice opportunity. And, salvage the stone. And, sometimes I say the most beautiful designs come out of a boo-boo.
Yeah.
Something that wasn't necessarily the plan. But there's another plan for this one, and there you go.
Are you an engineer that designed this, or is it from your own jewelry work that you decided to come up with this?
I have been a bench jeweler since I was 10 years old.
Wow, that's almost the same polish as the original. That's awesome.
I could have continued if I wanted to, but I just wanted to maintain. Yeah, isn't that gorgeous? So there you go.
Oh,
and that's
awesome.
The full project finished.
Nice.
And now you can use it again.
Thank you.